We got a blue one today. The camera never picks up the blue too well. Look at it compared to a green. Does that show a little better? That's a pretty green one. Some of them don't lay in the nesting box, so I have to gather them. Pardonnez-moi, Miss Turkey. I just need to get these eggs. Thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, sir. I would like a pail of chicken feed, please. How long is this going to take? 5 minutes? Ooh, you've been working hard today? Yeah, it's been a long day, huh? It's almost Christmas, right? You ready for Christmas? Got all your presents bought and everything?
Yeah.
I'll help you since it's Christmas time, you know? You run a nice feed store here.
I've been saving out candy canes.
You have? Oh, man.
This is a yard of food.
Oh, look, here comes a customer now. Do all your customers like candy canes?
Yeah, but not chicken.
The chickens, yeah, just the people customers?
Yeah, just the people customers. It's okay, girl.
So you got a scoop?
No. Can you go get me one?
Yeah, you need a scoop, huh? Well, I'm gonna go get my turkey's pan. I need her pan filled up too, okay?
Okay.
What's the name of your store here?
Chicken fooder.
Oh, okay, chicken fooder. That's a good name. Oh, here comes Miss Turkey now.
Anyone?
I see why your customers like you, huh? You give free samples? I think this is Miss Turkey's favorite game.
Ew. I didn't know turkeys can spit.
Oh, she's gonna sample all of it. Alright y'all, we're back inside now, and we're about to make Mama's Christmas candied pecans and some peanut butter fudge. We need to preheat the oven to 250 for the pecans. In here we're going to put 2 tablespoons of water and 2 egg whites. And I'm making a double batch, so I'll have the single batch recipe down below for y'all. Right about here, they started doing some more sanding in the living room, and it was really loud and you couldn't hear me, but here I am about to put the pecans in the bowl. I have a pack of Diamond and a pack of Great Value, so I did a little taste test for y'all to see which one was the best. The Diamond was definitely like fresher than the Great Value ones. They were really, you know, kind of almost a moister, you know, not as dry. The Great Value ones were pretty dry, but I liked the taste of the Great Value ones better than the Diamond. Anyway, you probably would never know there were 2 different kinds of pecans in there. Now we are putting, now we're pouring over the egg wash, and I'm just stirring as I pour, making sure that we coat all the pecans because that's what's going to make the cinnamon and sugar mixture stick to them. So now we put the sugar. Since I'm doing a double batch, I'm using 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and some salt. I think I did about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of salt. And we just mix that together really good, making sure they're all nice and coated. Then we're gonna put them on some baking pans, and they go in the oven for 1 hour at 250. But what we do is every 15 minutes, you take them out and stir them, then put them back in, do it again. You do that 4 times. And then after the last 15 minutes, they're done. And they're really good. Right when you take them out of the oven, they're warm and kind of soft, wonderful. But you know, the longer they sit, they get wonderful and crunchy. So they're just wonderful. Now we're gonna make the fudge. For this fudge, we need Reese's peanut butter chips, white cake mix, and sweetened condensed milk. This is the same fudge recipe that I used to make the autumn fudge bars, but instead of putting chocolate on top this time, these are just gonna be peanut butter fudge squares. Here you go, Sissy. We just need 1 cup of this cake mix in here. Okay. And then you're gonna mix this with both of these cans of sweetened condensed milk. Okay. Now we need 4 cups of the peanut butter chips. Then we'll mix these in, and it goes in the microwave for a minute, and we'll stir it until they're all melted. And then I have a 9x13, casserole dish that I lined with some, I'm just using plastic wrap this time, but you can use parchment paper, foil, whatever. So yeah, then we're gonna pour it into this casserole dish after it's all melted, and it goes in the refrigerator for 2 hours before we slice it. When the pecans get done, while this is chilling in the refrigerator, we're gonna go to Aldi. And we're gonna put some Christmas sprinkles on it before we put it in the refrigerator so they'll stick to it. Let's see if this is gonna melt it. See, since this is more this time, we might have to go another minute. Yeah, we're gonna have to do it one more time, I think.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven.
Are all these Christmas ones? What do these say down here? Yeah, I think they're all Christmas. Holiday tortilla chips. We need some bananas.
I'm a big kid, so I sit in here.
Yeah, you're a big kid.
Yeah.
They have your baked lays, Sissy. You need me to bring some of those for you? I can probably bring it. You need it unsalted or you got it? Okay.
My mind.
Okay. You're welcome. They have cranberry donuts. Oh, Snowflake, it's sugar cookie donuts. We're back home. Here is my tiny little Aldi haul. I don't think this is the smallest Aldi haul I've ever had, but it's a little one. I've got my grocery order coming from Walmart tomorrow with a delivery, but I wanted to go to Aldi because their butter is on sale for $2.49 up until, I think that the price is until the 24th, until Christmas Eve, if I remember right. Just check the ad and see, but yeah, that is a very good deal on butter, $2.49. The limit is 6. I got 5. I couldn't find on the sticker there at the butter, I couldn't remember how much the limit was, so I just got 5. But yeah, the limit is 6. I got 4 packs of salted and 1 pack of unsalted. I was also hoping that they had the sugar cookie creamer because Ingles already doesn't have it anymore. Walmart never had it. Aldi no longer has it either. But anyway, I did get a few other things. We got some cinnamon rolls, 2 blocks of cream cheese, lemons, bananas. I got some of these Honeycrisp apples and just some of our Aldi favorites, the blueberry fruit and grain bars, the peanut butter chocolate covered granola bars, some baked barbecue chips, and I did get the holiday red and green tortilla chips. And I saw these Angus beef patty cheeseburger things. They're flatbread pocket snack sandwiches. So I got those for the kids to try. Sissy said they looked good to her, so we'll let y'all know how those are. And I got some of the Arm & Hammer odor blasters. And that's it, besides a couple of things that I did find on the Aldi Finds aisles for the kids for Christmas. So I've got to wrap those. So I'm going to put this stuff up, and the peanut butter fudge should be ready to slice.
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhyme.